Greetings there, gardeners. How y'all doing today? I've been off for a week. Lots and lots of visitors showing up here on the island now that the volcanoes have stopped. And consequently, because the tourism is increasing and people are not frightened of coming here, I'm getting lots of folks dropping in to say hello to me. And well, instead of fist bumping, I guess I was shaking hands. And boy, oh boy, I tell you what, them airplanes, they bring everything in the world over here, and I got sick. I had 3 visitors: California, Arizona, Alabama. Out of the 3 of them, one the other are all passed me along something, and so I've been laid up for the week. It has not been fun. Anyway, I'm back up walking and talking, and we'll go on in a Grumpy Gardener Medicine show about my health problems. But here, as far as things are concerned, you know, I laid around most of the week. But so, welcome to the No Lava and Garden show, because we don't have any hurricanes coming by. There's no lava, there's no eruptions, the national park is open again, things are almost back to normal around here, and people are coming back. The tourism in Hawaii for the month of October is up across the board. Big Island was up, I think 11% or some such thing. Anyway, people are coming back. They're not scared that they're going to die in the volcanoes, which they were never going to die in the volcanoes anyway. So much of life is all about belief and what we think is going to happen, not what actually occurs or what's really going on. In fact, I'd say well over 90% is what we think is happening, not what's really going on. That's usually the case with human beings. We have fertile imaginations, and we see a lot of things that don't exist. Yeah, so things are returning. It's been interesting. Traffic here on the farm's gone up a little bit. Still lagging as far as the nursery is concerned, because now people are just coming back and looking and going, well, maybe we will buy on the Big Island after all. And so there's a lot of sales going on at the moment, but we haven't got a lot of people that are setting up and getting ready, you know, to plant food forests and so on. So I'm not seeing as much nursery stock selling as I am seeing people dropping in going, hey, Green Garden, you got any of them white pineapples, or, you know, what's an abiu taste like? So I've had people coming by here. It's increasing for sure. They had abandoned us and left us all alone out here. There's a bit of a change in the real estate market too. Prices are going up a bit, mostly on Oahu. Here there's been competition for places that are in safe lava zones. That was a good wake-up call for some of the shoppers. Stay out of lava zones 1 and 2. What the heck do you want to live there for anyway? So places that are safe. I'm seeing, you know, for instance, more people coming here from the mainland and buying houses around Hilo. That wasn't really happening much. Now it is. It was a good choice. I highly approve you folks who are buying out and around Hilo. It's a great town, second largest one here in the islands. It's got lots and lots of great services. You can go to school there. You know, you got medical facilities and so on if you need them. Prices tend to be lower on most things in Hilo than they are in a lot of places in Hawaii. Yeah, so it was a real good idea. Plus, it's a very scenic town. I like it. I mean, I don't like living in town. I had enough of that in my life, so I'm out here in the countryside. But hey, if you don't mind living in a town, I highly recommend Hilo. Great one. Lots to offer. Lots to offer there. Much better choice than buying in Lava Zone 1, honestly. Yeah, so as far as the garden report's concerned, well, basil crops have been good. I'm picking lots and lots and lots of peppers. Corn is getting close. I just replanted cabbages again. Hopefully this will be a better crop. I've been digging sweet potatoes. I had started using Spinosad bacteria on my cucumbers, and it's paying off. Cucumbers are a real problem here unless you have them in some sort of a screened-in enclosure where the pickleworm moths cannot get in to lay eggs. Growing them out in the open, the vines grow great here, but the vines will be decimated by the larvae of that pickleworm. Tunnel right through the stems, eat the tips off, eat the flowers, eat the pickles, just screw the whole vine up. But a little Spinosad, and things are looking good. Let me show you my Middle Eastern cucumbers here. Yep. This good-looking vine right here is Amiga. That's one of the Alpha Beta Middle Eastern style cucumbers. Since I started using some Spinosad on it, now I've started to get some cute little cucumbers here. Prior to that, everything was getting devoured by the pickleworms. Anyway, solved my problem. I'm back in the cucumber business. Basil is one of the crops that thrives around here. It's been doing really good. I've been making a lot of pesto. It's a good, healthful herb. I highly recommend growing and consuming basil. That's about the size of it for now. I'm going to take it light. Like I said, I'm still just getting over things here. There you have it. The garden and no lava show today. Hang loose. Y'all have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.